Y'all, I got my package. Got my end table. We about to open her up. Oh shit. Ah! Okay. Hey y'all, I am sweating because I had to bring this package by myself. Girl, it was heavy. So let me show y'all. So I just took it out of the box, and I didn't realize it was this short. I mean, I don't know. We're about to see, y'all. I'm about to put it in that corner. Ignore how my house is looking. It's looking a hot mess, but I'm gonna put this in that corner over there. Girl, I hate when they put stickers on the part that shows. Like, why would you do this? So yeah, we're about to set this up, y'all, and see what is given. I'm thinking maybe I should like put it somewhere else other than right here because I just feel like it's too small. Okay, so this is the front door. So when you come in, I guess you'll be able to see it a little bit. I don't know. Hey little mamas, welcome back to another weekly vlog. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is Ericarenee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, and today is Wednesday, October the 20th. And yeah, so I already done set up my little end table, and I ordered my little books from Amazon like last night, like at 10 o'clock last night, y'all. And it's gonna be here tomorrow. Like my books are coming tomorrow. So I'm kind of excited. I ordered me a Chanel book, and then I have like this other book. I don't know what it's called, but y'all gonna see tomorrow when it comes or whatever. So yeah, so I'm kind of excited. And then I just ordered my patio furniture, so that's gonna be here next week. Things are coming along, okay? So I really want to change my I want to change my rug in my living room because I feel like I have too many like solid colors in here. Like I need like one pop of color. So I kind of want to do like some orange, like a dark orange vibe in here. So yeah, right now my rug is like a cream color. It has like creams, grays, and it's starting to look a little, I feel like my rug is starting to look a little dingy. Let me show y'all. So this is how my rug looks. It's super cute, but I just feel like I need to like switch it up and do like some color. I'm not really a color girl, but I just feel like the more that I'm like getting stuff in my house, it's just, I feel like now that I'm getting like stuff in my house, it's really showing me the things that I need to change. And yeah, I just don't want my house looking, you know, too bland. Like I don't want it to be looking too bland. But I'm gonna be looking for a different rugs. I probably will talk to y'all tomorrow because I'm actually gonna be, you know, putting together my stuff on the coffee table. I need to clean up. It's just stuff I need to do. So yeah, I'll probably see y'all tomorrow. face and it don't be working out. I'm gonna just have to hold y'all. But yeah, yeah, I want a new rug. I don't know why it's looking like this, like washed out. Girl, there's just a lot going on this morning. Like, I can't deal. But anyway, I'm already running behind because I was supposed to be meeting my mama. Yeah, I'm late every day. Like, I would be late to my own funeral. Like, who can relate? I'm late to everything. It's like ridiculous. So yeah, I'm about to pull up Starbucks. I'm gonna tell y'all what my order is. I think it's gonna be something simple. I kind of want to get a matcha green tea. Oh my gosh, I know you lying. Y'all, look at this line. What the fuck? What in the world? Girl, it's out in the street. Okay, so I'm gonna have to turn around. I guess I'm not gonna be able to get Starbucks. What has my life become? This is so annoying. You've got to be kidding me. And it's 11 o'clock in the morning. Like, girl, why are you not in the bed? It's Saturday. They're probably saying the same thing about me. Like, why are you not in the bed? Girl, this is too much for me. So, I'm hungry. What am I going to get, y'all? Because I don't have time to stand in that long line. It's literally in the street. Like, that line is in the street, y'all. And I get really grumpy when I don't eat. So, I need to get something to eat, y'all. Why is that? Why is this? And that Starbucks is so slow, and they got the nerve to have a line that's in the street. They tried it. They really got. They got the nerve to have the line in the street. Like, y'all tried it. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna get? What am I gonna eat? I don't know. This is too much for me. I might have to go to the Starbucks by my mama's house. Girl, I need to get. Oh my. Okay, yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to y'all later because girl, I don't. Oh my god. Done drop my camera, turn my windshield wipers on. Yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to y'all when I get to Starbucks. So this is too much for me. Hi.
Hi, how are you today?
Good. How are you?
Good. What can I get for you?
Can I get a tall matcha green tea iced?
Yeah, of course.
Can I get it with almond milk?
Yeah.
And then can I just get a banana nut bread warmed up?
Of course. Anything else for you?
No, thank you.
Alrighty, it's going to be $8.77 when you get to the window.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Girl, they out here like Chick-fil-A.
It's not good enough for me since I've been with you. It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can equal me. No. I'm gonna sleep on the street when I fuck up. I should've known how to pick. I'm gonna catch the rhythm while she push up against me. Ooh, she tipsy. I had enough combo for 24. I picked you from a Roswell room. Pretty little body dancing like go-go.
Hey y'all, so I just got back home. Girl, I've been out all day. Like, I left like around 11 o'clock this morning. Girl, it's like, what time is it? It's 9:52. Like, your girl is kind of beat because, baby, I don't be out in these streets. I be at home chilling. So, yeah, I just got back home and I want to show you all what I got. So, I did go to Marshall's, which y'all seen. Well, not Marshall's. I went to Home Goods, as y'all saw in the clip before, but they literally did not have any like rugs at all, y'all. Like, no rugs. It was probably like 3 rugs and they were not cute. So I didn't get anything from Home Goods. Well, I did get something, but I didn't get no rugs. And then I had found this picture, and what else? I found this picture in this cute little decor book, but I had put it back because I was like, you know what, this is not what I came here for. Like, this was not what I came here for. The picture, I did need that, but I just felt like the more I looked at it, the more it just was not like fitting my aesthetic, so I put it back. But I did end up finding a comforter set, but they didn't have a queen. Like, it's just, I don't understand why these places do not have queen size beds, like comforter sets. Like, they be having the full/queen. So I ended up getting the full/queen. So we're gonna see if that work. We're gonna put it together on camera, because girl, it's just so annoying. Like, why can't I find a cute comforter set that's in my size? So I'm hoping that this is gonna fit. But girl, how cute is this? She is so cute. Do y'all see her? Yes. Okay. So this is a Nicole Miller brand, and this is a 5-piece set, girl. It's a full/queen. So we gonna hope, cause I have a queen size bed. So we gonna hope that it fits. I don't know. We're just gonna pray on it. But yeah, I got that from Home Goods, and then, girl, I needed some clothes. I still need more clothes than what I got, but I went to H&M just to get like some basics, because y'all know it's about to be, you know, cold outside. Well, it is starting to get cold outside, so I just went to H&M. They had a lot of cute basic things, so I definitely caught me a lot. And y'all, I only paid like $100, and I have like 6-7 items, so I thought that was really good. So I just have like this little it's like an off-white color hoodie, and it just has like a little saying right here that says original. This is really super cute. I just love getting basic things because you can wear it like multiple ways. So yeah, I just got me a little hoodie. How cute is she? Period. And that was $17.99. And then I got this little sweatsuit set. They had a lot of cute hoodies in there, y'all. Like, I just love my nudes, like my basic colors. I just love them. So I got this little taupe color right here. I would say this is more like a sand color. It looks just like the one I just showed you all, but this one kind of has like the slits on the side, like this. So cute, girl. And H&M stuff, like, it really runs big. So this hoodie I got a size medium in both of them. Usually I would get like I got a large in this one, and then this one I got a size medium. I don't know, their sizing is just a little weird for me. But the pants that goes with that sweatshirt, it looks like this. And you know how sweatpants are usually like cuffed at the bottom? These are just like kind of flared out a little bit. These are so cute. These were $17.99 as well, and I got a size medium. How cute is she? This is gonna be so cute because I'm going to Virginia. I go there every year, y'all, because my aunt lives in Virginia. If you don't know, I go to Virginia every year for Thanksgiving, so I know it's gonna be cold, so I just wanted to really get like some comfy sets. And then I got another pair of joggers. Y'all, I have so many joggers. These are so cute. These are kind of like lightweight. They're not really that thick, but it's cuffed at the bottom, and this is giving me very much like a grayish brownish color. I don't know if that makes sense, but I got this in a size medium for $17.99. We love a good deal, okay? Period. So yeah, just regular simple little jogger. And then the last thing that I got are these cute little pants. I would kind of describe these as corduroy a little bit, like the corduroy type corduroy. Yeah, I'm so country. The corduroy type vibe, but not as thick. So yeah, this is how these look. I think these are so cute, and they have like the little elastic on the waist. These are really cute. I saw these as soon as I walked in. I was like, I have to get these. So I got these in a size 12, US 12, and these were $24.99. It's 20% recycled cotton. We love saving the planet. So yeah, these are so cute, y'all. Like, I cannot wait to wear these like in a pic. These are so cute. So yeah, they only had like, well, they had multiple colors, but this is the only color that I really truly liked. So I ended up just getting that, y'all. So yeah, your girl got some clothes, okay? And I'm still on the hunt for like, I kind of want to switch up my style because I'm tired of like doing street style. Like, I'm tired of wearing graphic tees. I'm tired of wearing, I love my joggers. You can dress up, you can dress up or dress down joggers, so that's not really a problem. But girl, I just really, what is on my lip? I just really want to get like some cuter clothes, like, because what I have is just not giving me. But yeah, so I'm gonna put all this stuff up. I'm gonna sanitize it, spray it with my Lysol, because we don't play. I was thinking about washing these, y'all, but I'm gonna just spray them with Lysol. So yeah, I'm about to put together. Can y'all see? Y'all can't even see me. I'm about to put together my set and see how it looks. Oh, well, let me show y'all where I ended up putting my end table. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it right here, but this is just what we have it for now. So I have it sitting right here in this area right here. I don't know if it's gonna stay right there. Y'all, Bella is choking. Oh my god. Are you okay, sweetie? And then I got my books from Amazon, y'all. They came in. They are so cute. They came in so fast. So I just got this cute little Chanel book, and it's really, really big, y'all. I feel like on the app it didn't really look this big, but it's really way bigger than what I expected. But I just think it's really, really cute. And then I just got this other book. This is the Elements of Style, and I just put that on top. And then I don't know if I'm gonna keep this decor piece on there or not. We gonna see, y'all. I don't know. I'm just still trying to see how things are gonna be. Like, I just really don't know for sure if I'm gonna keep it like this. I can't wait to get my cords like hidden, because I just don't like that. But yeah, so this is how it's looking so far, y'all. Y'all let me know what you think. Like, is it giving very much boring, plain? Like, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I'm just really having a hard time, okay? Like, y'all, I'm just really not good at decorating things, as y'all can tell. But I just be getting inspired by people, so I try to see if it look right in my place. But I don't know. So yeah, I'm not gonna be rambling, because I've been talking for 8 minutes. Like, what? Okay, so I'm about to put together my comforter, and we're gonna see what it's giving. Y'all. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. Like, I can't. So clearly we already know. You probably was thinking it, like, girl, it's gonna be too small. Like, so yeah, y'all, so it's not as short on this side, but yeah, when you go to the other side, it's just like, yeah. Girl, I guess I'm still on the hunt for a comforter. Okay, so if y'all have like any recommendations on where I should like look, because I'd have been a Target, where was this, Home Goods, Marshalls. Like, girl, they don't, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just so annoyed. Like, I just feel like nothing's getting together in my house. Like, it's just like, but yeah, so I'm gonna end off this vlog here, because today is Saturday and I want this vlog to go up tomorrow on Sunday. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna start a new vlog, so make sure you are subscribed so you won't miss out any of my uploads. And yeah, I guess I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace.